Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you the headlights which I'm going to replace in LED. The stock one is still there, which is a halogen bulb. So because um, the light is not that strong, so I want to replace with the LED light. And the LED light is also nice because it's a white light. So let me show you how the front light is looking and how much brighter it is. Let me show you. Let me change the position of the car and so we can see how much is the exact width of the light. I'll park my car right here. Okay. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Current light, which is halogen. Let me show you a little bit closer. So this is light with the stock LED. I'll show you a little bit closer look. So now let me show you from front, and then now I'm going to replace it. Now I'm going to replace it with the LED bulb, and then I will show you how it looks after that. Okay guys, here are the lights that I have ordered from Amazon. This is the number for my car, which is 9006 SB4. Make sure you have check your lights number before you order them from Amazon, so you don't get the wrong one.
2 hours later.
Come on, here we go. These are the instruction menu. This is the Coager warranty, and these are the LED lights. Let me show you. As you can see, very nice build quality. Build quality is very nice, solid metal, and there is a fan to cool these LED down, because these LEDs could get warmer, so these fans help them to cool down. So those are the LED, both of them, as you can see. Hopefully they fit my to the stock headlights. I did order like that, as they mention also on Amazon that is gonna plug and play. Hopefully I don't need to do any modification in these headlights. So stay tuned for more video. I'm gonna let you know how it's going to how these lights gonna look, and how much brighter they are compared to the stock headlights. So thank you very much for watching.